Okay, here we have the review on the HFC HG-123 gas-powered airsoft pistol. Okay, it's 6mm plastic BB. Comes to the manufacturer in its box. It tells you which one it is on the side. Also, you've got your standard safety cautions. Keep it out of reach of kids, don't shoot it at people. What else we got in here? Never place your finger on the index trigger unless you're about to fire around. In the box itself, from the manufacturer, you get the pistol. Obviously, being in the UK, it's the black-blue colour, and you get a small selection of 6mm BBs, normally about 50 on average. Taking the pistol out of the box then, the pistol itself is quite a decent weight. It's a medium weight, not the full weight of the whole real thing. It's got a number of features on the actual pistol itself. It's got a fixed slide, so it's not a blowback version, so none of this moves. Okay, it's made up of steel and plastic composition. On the pistol itself then, you've got the safety catch, which prevents you from firing it on and off. Okay, the hammer has got a double cocking mechanism, which allows the first round to be fired with less pressure. If you watch the trigger as you pull the hammer back, you can see the trigger draws back as well. The rear sight is adjustable slightly, enabling you to adjust it for your eye, depending on how well you're shooting and how far you're shooting. It's got a rough range of about 35 metres, so it's not a bad one to start off with. In the base of the pistol grip, you've got the magazine and your gas recharge point. To remove the magazine, it just simply pulls out and the magazine drops out. For gassing, we'll cover that in a minute. First, let's look at the magazine. The magazine is spring loaded and it's got two metal clips on the back. The one at the top here stops the BBs coming out should you inadvertently press the button at the bottom, which is this one, which releases the spring. To load the magazine, it's quite simple. Draw the spring all the way down and it locks into place. When you are loading it, make sure you don't press this on the back, because it releases the spring and all your BBs will eject out the top. To load it then, all we do is take a BB, place it on the top and push down and the BB drops in. It's recommended that you only load 10 BBs into the magazine at any one time. This is purely to relieve the pressure on the spring and prevent the pistol from double loading and causing misfires. There's no need to release the spring on the back once you've loaded the 10 rounds into the BB. So all you simply do is insert it into the pistol, which we'll cover again in a minute. Gas in the pistol, what I'm using is Predator Ultra Gas. Okay, this is probably the lowest form of gas you want to use on this. You can use the super green gas. All these gases are designed to lubricate the internal working parts of the pistol. To load it then, or to gas the pistol, all you're going to do is hold the pistol up at a slight angle and then just place the gas canister on, and you're going to hold it down for 3 seconds. Okay, you only need 3 seconds within this particular pistol. Any more than that is all you'll find is the gun will try discharging the gas as quick as possible, therefore you're going to get less shots for your rounds. Okay, now it's gassed, it will fire. To load the magazine in, as all we simply do is again keeping the pistol upright, place the magazine into the bottom and push it fully in. That has now loaded the first BB straight into the chamber, therefore imperative we've got the safety catch on. Before we do any shooting, make sure we've got a good old pair of safety specs, because the last thing you want is a BB in the eye. It's recommended that you use the 20-gram BBs with this. Okay, this will give you your accuracy of up to 35 metres. You can, if you want, use the 16-gram BBs, which are lighter, which just means you're not going to get the full accuracy at distance. You can buy the 0.25 grams, but again, you're not going to get your full range and accuracy at 35 metres. When you're ready to shoot, so all you've got to do is simply take the safety catch off, point, and fire. Okay, it has got quite a decent fire on it, and it have no problems with a good old Foster's box. When you are shooting or you're holding it, make sure you don't press the hammer at the back. If you do inadvertently press the hammer, is all that will happen is that it ejects all the gas and all the BBs out of the magazine. You can hear there's no gas left in it. And then it's just a simple form of removing the magazine, recharging the mag, and regassing the pistol. Overall, the pistol's not actually too bad. It's a great bit of fun. Not recommended for indoor use. But other than that, it's a good way to start and introduce yourself into the airsoft world.